How to adjust color curves in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clip you want to color correct. Next, drag the clip onto the timeline and select it. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Curves effect. Drag and drop the Curves effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now open the Effect Stack panel where you will see the Curves Adjustment interface. You will find a graph with a diagonal line representing the brightness levels from shadows to highlights. To adjust the color curves, click on the line and create control points. Drag these points up or down to brighten or darken specific tonal ranges. You can adjust the overall brightness and contrast by shaping the curve accordingly. For more advanced color grading, you can switch between different channels such as red, green, blue, and other channels to adjust individual color curves. This lets you correct color balance or create unique color effects. As you make adjustment, preview your clip by playing the timeline to see the changes in real time. Fine-tune the curves until you get the desired look for your video. Now you know how to adjust color curves in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.